Hello and welcome. When you are adding Google Analytics to a WordPress website, typically you will add the code using a plugin. However, you may be using a custom page builder or membership script. And when that is the case, there's typically a specific operation for you to use in order to get Google Analytics installed. In this particular case, we're going to look at OptimizePress, which is a WordPress page builder. Now, your page builder might be different, but you will want to check the instructions to find out exactly how to work with your particular theme or page builder. So let's go inside of this dashboard. And once we get there, we're going to go inside of OptimizePress. OptimizePress actually has its own menu and dashboard. We're going to go inside of the dashboard. When you get there, you're actually going to see that OptimizePress has a section called Analytics and Tracking. You're going to go inside of that area. And once you get there, OptimizePress gives you some instructions. So that typically you're going to be placing that code before the header tag, but in this case, OptimizePress gives you a location to actually put your code. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go back, we're going to grab the code, and we're going to place the entire code inside of the Analytics and Tracking area for Google Analytics. Now, if you don't have a property already, you're going to create one, and you're going to do that by coming to the admin area. You're then going to come to this drop-down menu, and you're going to click Create New Property. And then you're going to give this property a name. You're going to put your website URL in, and then you're also going to define your industry category. You're going to set up your reporting time, and then you're going to click Get Tracking ID. So once you have the tracking code, you're going to grab all the tracking code, and you're going to copy it. And you're going to head back to your website. And when you're at your site, you're going to place the code inside of the tracking area. And again, every page builder and every site builder is going to be slightly different, but typically there will always be a section for you to place the Google Analytics code on a particular page or a series of pages. Now in this particular case, you are actually going to be able to use this code throughout the entire site through this theme. Once you've done that, then all you'll need to do is click Save Settings. And then your code will then be added to your custom page builder. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.